Sick and tired of the Nvidia DLL crash stopping your play? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair the link between your engine and hardware right now. As we prepare to resolve Nvidia API, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This DLL file is the 32-bit Nvidia API library. It provides games and utilities with direct access to Nvidia GPU features, such as thermal monitoring and advanced display settings, on 32-bit Windows systems. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error usually stems from an incomplete graphics environment affecting the Nvidia API DLL. You should reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy gaming libraries, while also updating your GPU drivers to resolve any compute-related or OpenGL issues. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Nvidia API file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Remember that manual replacement of the Nvidia API DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing the Nvidia API and maintaining system stability. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing the Nvidia API from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.